A month apart made this bear miss his caretaker so much, and his kisses said it all. This Maine Coon missed its little friend so much that it just can't stop cuddling her. Golden Retriever greets his marine dad with pure joy after 6 long months apart. Python and this girl have been inseparable since childhood, a bond that's only grown stronger with time.
She just ate it!
No.
While their new home was being built, these lions were apart from their human mom, but their joy overflowed the moment they reunited.
Let's be careful. Oh, sweetie. No. No.
Маш, да ладно тебе настроение.
Bears are just like dogs. They greet their favorite humans with kisses and endless love.
Да, Маш? Вы же не любите гулять.
In this sanctuary for rescued and disabled elephants, one gentle soul drifts off to sleep listening to her caretaker's lullaby. If you love this moment, hit subscribe. This is what pure love looks like when wolves welcome someone they deeply care for.
Good boy, Gabe. Good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Good boy. Hey, I'm sorry, Gabe. Turn.
There he is!
Thanks to this clever parrot, the family never misses the moment Dad walks through the door. She once saved a tiny monkey and raised it like her own child. Even now, living free in the wild, their bond remains unbreakable.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Tired of dogs greeting their owners? How about this giant lizard? He even smiles when he sees his human.
Man, you're warm.
That good boy right there. That big fella. What's going on, guys? Just that big fella. Look how cute he is, huh? You hanging out, big guy? Very smart. And we've been doing the underwater game. There we go.
This lion can't contain his joy. He literally falls over the moment he hears his owner's voice.
Oh, it's me. It's Squid. I haven't seen you guys in way too long. Kisses. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, you made him, baby. Have you been naughty? Apparently you've been naughty. Hi, baby. Look at them.
This swan never forgets the man who once saved her life. The way she looks at him, it's pure love.
Oh my goodness.
After being rescued, Dakota the coyote left his wild days behind. Now, all he wants is to play with his favorite toy and wait for his human to come home. This man has shared a 20-year friendship with a tiger shark named Emma, a bond as deep as the ocean itself. This little monkey even dressed up for her reunion. That's how much she missed her friend.
Lucky. Zeus, stop being a punk. Come here, Lila.
After so long apart, it took just one gentle touch for this blind dog to recognize the person he loves most.
Hurry, find me. Oh, you found me.
This woman has cared for this lioness since she was just 4 months old. Visiting her every day has built a bond that feels like family. Just look at how patiently this parrot waited for the person he loves most. For this sailor, nothing beats coming home to his pelican. The bird can't wait to greet his old friend who always brings treats. Seems like the animals voted, and she's officially been crowned their Snow White. Two horses were brought to the hospital to say a final goodbye to their beloved Vietnam veteran. His last wish was to see his loyal friends one more time.
My goodness, is Mom Georgie? Oh, it's Mommy.
This is what pure love looks like after just one workday apart. Every wag and cuddle makes up for the lost hours. For this little kitten, the happiest day isn't its birthday. It's when it gets to see the volunteers who became its true family.
See ya.
It sounds like this fox hasn't seen its owner in 5 years, not just 5 days. That's how much it missed them.
Конечно, кто-то скажет, это не домашнее животное.
When treated with respect, even sharks can express love just like any other creature. After a man freed a sea lion from a net, the grateful animal now visits him daily, a friendship born from kindness. This dog's joy knew no bounds when he finally reunited with his parents after days apart. Years after she raised them, the lions didn't forget. They ran to her, not with roars, but with
Поправить
hugs.
немножко, чуток. А вы знаете, я...
Классный, да?
Even after all this time, the horse still remembers her dearest friend. That's what a tiger's hug looks like. Powerful yet full of affection. You've seen dogs, horses, and even birds reunite. But a woman and her camel? This one will melt your heart. This sweet chimp couldn't contain her joy. She ran straight into her dad's arms and kissed him hello.
So she got the blind eye.
After days of searching, Sydney police finally found Lucy the rat and reunited her with her homeless owner.
She
A
knows she's
tiny
missing it
miracle
too,
with a
right?
big heart. This little turtle woke up to the best surprise, the return of the person she'd been waiting for all day. Three days may not sound long, but for this cat, it felt like forever. And now the reunion moment has finally come. There are big dogs, and then there are wolves. This one's massive. When he jumps on his human, you know the man doesn't stand a chance. A kind woman found this lost dog on the road and took her to a rescue center. Thanks to a tiny chip, she was reunited with her family after 2 long years. A breathtaking moment. A whale gently approached people just to say hello, and didn't mind a few loving pats. Every day this goose flies back to the man who saved her life. Her flock left her, but he didn't, and she'll never forget that. It's only been a month apart, yet these gentle giants missed their best friend like it's been forever. 6 tons of pure love right there. When the king and queen of beasts meet the man who once saved them, they turn into playful kittens all over again. Honestly, you can't convince me this woman wasn't a pirate in another life. It's the only way to explain this bond. It's hard to imagine the heartbreak of losing a dog, but after 2.5 years apart, nothing can ever come between these two again. A bond like no other. This tiger has loved her human since she was just a cub, and their hugs tell the whole story.
¿Sí? Bien, bien. ¿Otro más salvado? ¿Otro más?
Ah, good.
The best friend a man can have is an animal. They love us without hate and accept us just as we are. Their hearts teach us what real friendship means. Let's cherish and protect these loyal souls. Share your story below, and don't forget to subscribe for more heartfelt reunions.